Hi y'all, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Guys, I was not intending to record this video today. I had another video planned for an upload tomorrow on Wednesday, but I cannot hold this from you guys nor myself. I am so excited. I have an unboxing for you guys from Coach. Listen, there is nothing from Coach that has been on my radar until I saw this bag. You guys see from the title that it is the Brooklyn 39 in the natural raffia color. I saw this bag on Nothing But Bags. She posted it in her community post, and let me tell you, I could not sleep until I saw the video. She posted it on her community post, and then she said that she would do the video tomorrow. And I was trying not to be impulsive, so I said, let me at least wait until I see her video. That video wasn't on 2 minutes before I paused it and went to purchase this bag. And so it came rather quickly, and so I came home today to this huge bag. So I am going to go ahead and open this bag, guys. I am so excited about it. It came from Bloomingdale's, so it's not in the Coach box and all of that. But we're going to open this bag together, and then we're going to talk about it. So I did get the Coach dust bag, and it is huge. And so, guys, I'm going to go ahead and take this out of this bag. Wow. She is gorgeous. Let me sit back. I have the Coach Brooklyn 39 in the natural raffia color. And I am so glad that I got it when I did, because as of the taping of this video, it is out of stock at Bloomingdale's. It is on pre-order at Nordstrom. It is out of stock at Coach. So it definitely is a popular bag, and it is the perfect bag for summer. I've had a bag from And Other Stories, a raffia tote that I've had for years, and I thought I was good. I'm not interested in paying those luxury and designer prices for a raffia bag, but this bag, and I thought the price was reasonable. I got this from Bloomingdale's for $295. So I thought for the price, I could absorb this for this style of a bag. This bag is large. I'm just kind of getting a feel for the material. It says that it's a straw Brooklyn 39, and this is what the tag looks like. You guys can see that, okay? Okay, and I apologize if you hear background noise. It's kind of busy in my house at this point. But yeah, she is wrapped in this wrapping right here. We're gonna go ahead and take the paper off of this. This is a honey tag here. Very beautiful color, and I'm going to take the wrapping off of that. Okay, and then the hardware on this bag is gold, if you guys can see that. The hardware is gold, and this is the little handle. Let's go ahead and open the bag. The opening is like this. It's kind of like this magnetic closure for the opening, right? And then it's wrapped. These tabs are wrapped, so let me go ahead and pull those off. You know how Coach does with the wrapping. And then this is the inside of the bag, guys. As you see, it has some wrapping in there. I'm going to go ahead and take that out. Let me go ahead and open her back. And this is what she looks like on the inside. Pretty deep bag. And as you can see, the inside of it, it has the papers in it. Let me see what this is. Oh, just kind of like the preservative papers there. And then it has the, just the Coach, you know. That, and there's another little booklet here. So that's what's on the inside of this bag. Let me look and see if anything else is there. No, so then it's just an open bag. And then right here on the side panel, there is this little, I can't see, there's this little label patch here for Coach. I'm going to go ahead and take the paper out of this. Right, I like that. That's a really nice luxurious touch to that bag. So it's very soft. I mean, I would definitely be very cautious with the bag, because it is straw, but it looks like it is very tightly bound together. The structure of the material is very tight, so I think it'll be really good. And then the letters here are raised, and they are a type of, looks like a harder straw type of material. It almost feels like a plastic but I think it's like a straw material here as well. I wasn't sure what how I was gonna feel about the embroidery, but I think the embroidery makes the bag even more chic. It's very lightweight. I will be able to fit a ton in here. I just see this bag being a great summer bag, a great spring bag, a great beach bag, pool bag, you know, just a bag to carry around during the spring and summer, errands or whatever. It is really great. So guys, let me do a mod shot. This is what it looks like on me, guys. I really like that. It sits great on my shoulder. I like the thick strap here. Let me show you on this side what it looks like. I love the strap drop on this. It's very generous. These type of bags, sometimes they do tend to want to slip down on your shoulder, but I actually bought for some of my other bags that do that, these handle grips that you put on the back of these. Hold on, let me show them. Let me go grab them. Okay, so I got these handle grips from Amazon. It says that these are undetectable non-slip purse straps, and you put them right on the handle, inside handle of the bag, and it'll keep it up. So I don't know if I'll need that or not, but if I do, I'll get these. It's sort of like an easy solution to a problem that can be a little bit aggravating. So yeah, I don't know if this will do this, but if it does, I will definitely have the handle grips to keep the bag secure. So yeah, guys, this is just a first impressions unboxing of this bag. I am definitely going to do like a what's in my bag when I pack this bag. I am going on a little trip in a couple of weeks, and I may take this bag. We'll be in a resort where there will be a pool or whatnot, and I may take this bag. I'm not sure, but when I do, I'll do a what's in my bag. But guys, yeah, I just wanted to show you guys, unbox this with you and kind of give you my first impression. It's simple. It's chic. It looks very elevated. The price on this is really great compared to similar luxury brands. But yeah, this is one of those that I think I'm going to get a lot of wear out of, and I just appreciate having this in my collection. So thank you so much to Liz at Nothing But Bags for sharing her bag with all of us. I will link Liz's video below, but like I said, when I saw it, I just had to get it, and this will be a beautiful addition to my spring summer handbag collection, and I'm just thrilled to have this. That's the unboxing, guys. All right, so this video was short and sweet. I thank you so much for watching. If you are new here, thank you so much for clicking on my channel. Please consider subscribing to my channel. I post videos about lifestyle, luxury, handbags, home, all the things that are me. I post all the videos. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope you have a happy, safe, and healthy week, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.